What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing a pizza hut mukbang. So yes, I gotta get that thumbnail. So guys, I have a piece of cake here. Yeah. Whew. My sister baked cake, so I'm about to have a piece. So I'm having a big problem with my meal right now. But first of all, may I say onion trash. This is onion, right? That's one fault. I don't eat tomato. This is a tomato. I did not order anything with tomato on it. But guess what? I got those. So the whole thing is, you see, really and truly, when people are allergic to certain stuff, it really good not to eat certain place. Because guess what? Cross-contamination can mess up people. So I'm gonna go by digging into my pizza. Oh my god, this is 12 wings and this is a large pizza. So guys, I'm about to dig in. Okay, this pizza is a pan crust pizza. I use garlic pomegranate sauce with banana pepper, jalapeno pepper, and chicken. Yes, so I'm about to dig inside of it. Up. Get out of the cold because I have it just a while ago. Yeah. Guys, this is so good. So good. Okay. Y'all know how much I love these juice. Whew. Now, this is so good. Guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little story, right? I don't know if y'all remember when I say I'm going to give you a story about why I started to cook. This food is a lot, but it's good. So when I was growing up, right, got this lady. She was my neighbor. We live in this tenement yard, right? If you're from Jamaica, you know when you're in tenement yard. Alright. From here, let me tell you what a tenement yard is. Back in Jamaica, it's a bit like we rent somewhere, but it have lots of house in one yard. Like some of them each on. And like house. But it's just one yard with a lot of different family living there. Call it a tenement yard. That this lady, her apartment building, there's an apartment over here. Her apartment building and ours joined together. So you know, back in Jamaica, this board is not like here in America where you have these and then it padded. So if it's a board, it's just one thin thing, you know. So if I hold the creek, somebody can peep in your house in a pad. This lady used to live there, and she'd have her son. Her son used to always cuss her. And you see her, she has such hungry and thing. And she was sickly. You know? She was sickly, and them time I was in grade 3. I was about 8 or 9. And her son used to cuss her. Her son used to cuss her out and thing. And she used to cry, so she hungry. Me used to hear, because we have a bed did there. It's there right in her corner to fear her thing, you know. So I could hear everything when she cry, and she has such hungry and stuff there, you know. And me know, I said, Lord, you used to feel sorry for the woman, you know. But it's sorry for her, I said, damn. If I didn't know if you cook, you know, I could have saved me money from school. Don't eat no lunch. And come home and cook food for her and cook food for myself. Then I start asking my mother be a question how cooking going on sitting here. Remember, you know? I was either 8 or 9 at the time. Little and short, so. And you don't know, say girl learn to cook. Learn to cook from like 8 or 9 years old. Just for that lady. So used to have chicken back and chicken liver and flour. Them time the chicken back $5 a pound. Chicken liver $5 a pound, and then me buy flour $5 a pound. So it's either me buy chicken back and flour, me I carry back $10 every day. It's either chicken back and flour or cause she never like the rice, or chicken liver and flour. And this suits me. Every day I come home from school, I couldn't wait for school over. To come and come cook. Listen, you know, at first I didn't get it right, you know, but she used to eat it, you know, because when you're hungry you eat that, I never stop till I get it real good. You know? I used to hear the lady cry. She used to cry. I mean, I will call her name because from the community where I come from, I don't want nobody bash me. So I'm not call nobody name. My phone is about to die that I'm feeling from. So if it dead, I'm gonna switch camera. So yeah, she used to cry and cry. You know, but me so make sure I come home and cook her food. But anyway, long story short, couple months after she did end up pass away. About 9 months after, she did end up pass away. Let me tell you something, I love her to my heart. I love that lady so much. You know, I not even want to call her name. I love her. I so little, like I can't picture her face. I don't remember I know she was an Indian. She was an Indian lady. She was an Indian. But I can't picture, like, if you picture her face and say, yes, this is how she did look. I can't remember. I remember so she was an Indian. Remember my little picnic, you know? That was like 21 years ago, I tell about. So anyway, she ended up dead. It have, we should believe it have this yard where we call Bundong. Because we have a yard and then we have one big open space. So they do a house over there, so over there is Bundong. You understand? So we call over there Bundong. Remember Bundong I play, we play marble or something. Oh, come on, you put, you know. And this guy come and named Tony. Yeah, this guy we live in a yard named Tony, we can call him name. You know? Because I'm not saying nothing bad about him. And Tony say, come here, Paka. Because them call me Paka, you know. Where I come from. Say, I play marble, I finish play marble. You know, I gotta tell her something, but I don't want you cry. Tell me, girl, I say, what is that about? Remember, you know, I never clue. I know the lady got to the hospital. In the hospital. But I never clue said that they never tell me. You know? And they must say, I gotta tell you, man, I gotta tell you. But don't cry, no, don't cry. Don't cry. Because everybody know me love the lady, you know? Listen, little girl me the clean all do for the lady when she do up. And her son living at the yard. Her son living at the yard. And she have a son who work at airport. Her own son living at the yard and him not look on her. And me take up that responsibility as a little girl. I tell her. Sometimes she do up on herself because she is sickly. And me go clean her up. You understand? So anyway, the man called me and he must say, me not fi cry. I say, what? And then the rest of people they will say, we have a bad news to tell you. So I say, what is it? They must say, such dead. I'm like, huh? I said, that can't happen. She just did sick and go to hospital to come back. Listen to me, that's the first time I think my heart ever get broken. That's the first someone ever pass away and I cry. That was the first time. Remember me at 9, you know, them time I know me sure me reach 9, me reach 10 yet. Because my start cooking was between 8 and 9. Either 8 or 9, but I know me did 9 when she did. And I tell her say, my heart was broken. Like, me cry. Word couldn't explain how broken I was. You know? But anyway, at the time, thing passed dead and they still a miss her and thing, funeral come. You know? A lot of people wasn't going. I be an adult they go. They not can I pity them in the yard. I was the only child. I was a mosquito I come from, man. I'm always a try invade my privacy. Ciao. Anyway, I was the only child that them met go to the funeral because me and her did very close. Then our son, we did work at airport. I know when a little girl like it, so all of what she did have in her room they give me. Not the bed and stuff, like she didn't wipe her food stuff and she didn't wipe her food stuff, but she just couldn't manage to do something for herself, you know. And the son give me all that stuff that she did have left back her snack and I said, oh, I come back and get stuff here, you know, because the fact that the son they work at airport, his wife are the teacher. After I went in the dead, the wife did become my teacher when we reach a grade 5. You know? That may I tell you. She become my teacher. That will show you when we reach a grade 5. Now after the lady dead. And the man tell me say, oh, he might come back and get stuff for me or something. Because then travel to, you know, you work at airport, so then travel. My care stuff for me. Up until today, I never see back that the man there. I see my wife because she become my teacher, but I never see back the man. And if I see him, I don't know if he's alive or if he's dead. I hope he's alive. I never see him back with all that time, you know. But I tell you, say, in this life, a lot of time things motivate us to do stuff. So now, I see the reason why me start cooking from such a young age and me love what I do. You understand? I just cook because I just want to cook. You know much time I do my cooking thing and I don't make no money, and when party I done and sit down, somebody will come and them say, boy, I don't have no money, you can't give me food, you know. But now I say no, because guess what? If I carry the food from there, it will go to waste. If I see party done and I say nobody not buy nothing, I give it everything when I have left back. That's so me stay. But not throw it away and know say people want it. You understand? Me cook because me love cook. You see me? And despite all of that, me get so much fight. Like, I get so much fight with what me do. You know, but me still push and hold on. But that's the whole thing why I really start cooking, because of the lady. I get the motivation from she, just by seeing her broken and hungry. That's how me take up cooking and I say, yes, this is what I want to do. Yeah, this is what I want to do. I cooking more want to do, you know. Because I got school and thing, you know, and guys, I'm full. I can't touch no more of this food. I eat 4 slices of pizza and I eat like 4 wings. I can't touch no more. And I'm going to go to school because they have a carpenter shop in front of which I'm going to live. I'm in 9th grade because I moved from out of the ghetto in a 9th grade. I go to high school and then pick if I wish practically want to do. Me did end up get picked for carpentry, you know. And boy, in a some way, I'm sorry, I never did do it. But me say that a man sitting. But me did do as a woman in a carpentry. But me I did one of the top students in a carpentry because through every carpenter shop right out of the front of my yard. Me get to learn from them right there. I get to learn so much about carpentry. So but me never want that. I mean run on me big lady, me say, miss please, I want the foods. And she said yes, I have space, and she accept me for foods. But me tell her something. You see the cooking part of doing food and nutrition, that is easy. The practical part easy. This is just putting things together. And cooking class not easy. The people that think say people that think say, oh, I just cook, I gotta cook. Listen to me, man. You remember I come, cooking is all about the body. So you have to do human social biology. The book word. First of all, if me I go cook, say example I'm gonna make this pizza, right? First of all, I have to have a time plan. You know? So if you all who say them know about cooking, first of all you have to have a time plan. And you have to do a project before you do the practical. You know? And your project I gotta tell you like what you go do. But if every minute you go do this, from the moment you go take up the fork, what's the first thing you do? Okay, first I'm gonna organize my stuff. Second I'm gonna do that. Then third I'm gonna do that. By 1 o'clock I'm gonna do that. By 2 o'clock I'm gonna start mix this or whatever. Say if it's a 5-hour practical, depends. I'm just giving an example. This time I'm gonna do this. That time I'm gonna do that. That time I'm gonna get this together. And you have to make sure say all of that where you they say in your time plan, because the teacher they watch you. Because remember I know she don't make everybody do practical at the same time. She make like two person, like you pick a person to work with and them split and buy a foods class. When people do foods class in a school, that come with money. Because everything where you prepare, you have to buy it. So you make sure say you have the money for it. And you can't go tell teacher say you don't want it. You can't do practical because guess what? You now get no grade. So anyway, you have to get your time plan together. And teacher they watch you. You understand? And make sure you say, okay, let me see. This time is supposed to depend that, that is supposed to depend that. Because if you go 1 minute over, you can done before the time, you know. But if you see time come and try you out, you can done before it, but not after. Because if you done after, you're gonna lose marks. You're gonna lose marks, you know? But food is not just all about cooking, because you have to know the health and safety part of it. You don't cook and you don't be dirty when you cook food with people. You have to put yourself together a certain way, you know. Because when you're in a food class, you have to have an apron, you have to have on your hat, you have to have on your full attire dress. You understand? Yeah. So that's the reason why I choose to cook, because of that lady. As she make me love cooking, I realized that that's my thing. You know? I can do here a little. I could help myself. But I know something I would do down the line. You understand? But guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry Buddhas. I'm out. Bye.